Hello and welcome to your word building video number 2 for the week. Again, I'm going to go ahead and list off your words that I would like you to build and spell, whether you're using this interactive whiteboard or writing the words down or using your own magnets, whatever way you are using to build the words, just go ahead and continue doing that. And then we're just going to go ahead and get started here. So the first word I want you to build is tad. I'll say it again for you. Tad. All right, you've had some time, so I'm going to go ahead and drag the answer down onto my screen for you to check your work. Make sure you picked the right letter here. It is a D at the end, not a B. So this is tad. The next word I would like you to build is bad. I'll say it again. Bad. All right, I'm going to begin dragging the letters down here so you can check. This is the spelling for bad. The next word is yam. I'll say it again for you. Yam. Alrighty, I'll show you the correct spelling of yam here for you. This is how you spell yam. The next one, jam. I'll say it again, jam. Alrighty, here's the spelling for jam, so you can check. Here's jam. Awesome job so far. We have a few more left. Alrighty, let's try bin. I'll say it again, bin. Here's the spelling for bin. Make sure you check this one. Again, it's bin. And we have one more word for today. This word is tin. I'll say it again, tin. All right, here we go. This is the spelling for tin. So go ahead and check there. And then again, that was our last word for today's video. If you got all of your words correct, I want you to go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Awesome job. Okay. Come back again tomorrow. I'll have some more words for you to build. And until then, go ahead. You can continue working on some of your other activities. And I'll see you tomorrow.